How long do they take to install? Depends on the product, but if you allow any between 8 hours up to 4 days, you'll be covered. When can I use it? Top of the line systems will have you back on the floor in as little as 2 hours, while most of the others will take 4 to 5 days to cure. Which is best, American, Chinese, or Australian epoxy? I've worked with stuff from all 3 countries, and I've installed a lot of American product. And to be honest, I've had way too many problems like these with UX epoxies, because they struggle to deal with our harsh Aussie conditions. So now we only install 100% Australian made products. The others are simply not up to the task. Can I install it myself? Technically, yes, but don't use a kit from Bunnings or Supercheap unless you grind the floor first, because this is the professional secret to success. And buy extra flakes, because their kits only have 500 grams that come with them. And 500 grams looks like this. And when we install a floor in your house, we put 20 kilos of flakes on the floor. And that looks like this. Which would you prefer? Does the installer need a QBCC license? Yes. It's illegal to install epoxy in your home over the value of $3,000 plus GST unless you use a licensed installer. If something goes wrong, the QBCC is going to be unable to help. And if there's an accident on site, you will have voided your home insurance policy.